Hi everyone, it's Emma here. Our channel Emma Daily English has reached a beautiful milestone and my heart is so full. Thank you for being part of this kind community. Today to celebrate, I want to share a gentle story about how one small act of kindness can brighten even the rainiest day. It's perfect for practicing daily English, real conversations and filling your heart with warmth. Ready, let's begin. It's a cloudy Monday morning. Soft rain is falling on the busy city streets. People rush with umbrellas and tired faces. I walk beside Ava, my colleague. She looks neat and professional, but her face shows no smile. Another rainy day. I hate Mondays, Ava sighs. Maybe the rain is just the sky washing everything clean, I reply softly. You're too dreamy, Emma. We'll be late for the meeting. Suddenly an old man struggles with his broken umbrella. Rain pours on him. Oh no, poor grandpa, let's help him. Emma, it's not our problem, we'll get wet. Just 1 minute, please. I run and share my umbrella with the old man. Thank you, dear, you're an angel. It's okay, stay dry. Ava watches quietly. You waste your time on strangers. Maybe time feels best when we use it for kindness. We reach the cafe near the office. 1 hot chocolate, please. Good morning, how are you today? I ask the barista. I'm good. Thank you, you always make my day brighter. Ava rolls her eyes. You even talk to strangers now. Smiling costs nothing but gives so much. You should try. Later, a young mother with a crying baby drops her shopping bag in the rain. Fruits roll everywhere. Without thinking, I help pick them up. Ava hesitantly joins. Thank you so much, I don't know what I would have done. No problem at all, take care of that little one. Ava looks surprised. Why do you do this? Because helping others makes me feel calm inside. Anger doesn't stay when you choose kindness. We continue walking. The rain gets lighter. Ava drops her phone in a puddle. A teenage boy quickly picks it up and wipes it with his sleeve. Here, miss, it's a bit wet but should be fine. Thank you, Ava says softly, surprised. I smile. See, kindness comes back to you. By afternoon, the sun peeks through the clouds. At the bus stop after work, an old lady searches her bag, looking worried. I lost my bus ticket, I can't go home. Don't worry, I say, I'll buy one for you. Ava quietly adds, I'll get it too. The lady's eyes shine with tears. Bless you both, the world still has good people. Ava walks silently for a moment, then says, This morning I thought you were too soft. Now, maybe softness is strength. I grin. Kindness doesn't need to change the whole world. It just makes our small corner warmer. Ava gives a small, real smile for the first time. I think I'll try tomorrow. That's all kindness needs, just one try. Thank you for joining us today. If this story touched you, like, share and subscribe. Tell me in the comments, what is one kind thing you did or received recently?